Welcome back. Today is the fourth day we are escaping from cops. Last night I came here, and I sleep here for the whole day. Now it's almost going to be dark again. For now everything is looking fine. I don't have any update on what happened for the whole day. Now I'm going to my house where the police had came. Don't know they are still there or not. Let's see. And now it's almost dark outside. So we can go out and check. Let's do the cold start. So now, we will go to the new city. So far everything is fine. Not a single cops were on the road. I am maintaining this speed very long, not get in a trouble. Wait a minute. What that light in front of my house? Looks like something is flashing. Shit, they got to know about this house also. Let's park the car outside and see what's going on there. I think in the last 4 days the house where I have gone, they got to know about all of them. Very safely we need to check. I think they put police car in front of every house of mine whenever. Gets back to the car and check 1 to houses more. From here I can't understand anything. That cops are still there or not. We need to go more close. Let's park the car here and keep the engine on, in case we have to run. Yes, they are still here. But I can't see them. I think we can see it only from front. Let's walk like casual. Yes, they are inside. We should not stay outside. Let's get back to home. The idle sound of this car is very nice. First we get back to home. Then we will think what should we do, because I don't feel safe right now. Get tired. Distance between new city and old city is long. What the hell? did they know I am here? And coming from this way. Maybe when I am looking around the houses, and give them information I can't directly go to the garage. Otherwise they will get to know about the house. No, This car also gets hit by the cops. How many more cars I have to destroy due to this cops? As soon as possible, don't we have to escape from them? Cannot get to that garage. Today we have to spend night here. I think they lost me. But every time I get rid of them, it is not possible. I think this car also get compromised. For now, we cannot use this car anymore. I am not ready for this. Tomorrow, we will figure out a permanent solution. I am done with these things. Subscribe, share, comment, like.